Hey guys, if you're trying to pair your iPhone to a Bluetooth speaker and it's not connecting or pairing, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you a few ways we can fix this issue. Now the first thing you want to do is just come over to your iPhone and we're going to open up the settings application like so. Go and click on Bluetooth and obviously just make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and enabled. Now, once you've done that, scroll down to where it says My Devices, and if you've previously connected to this Bluetooth speaker, you want to go try forgetting the device. Now, to do this, you just need to click on the information button next to your Bluetooth speaker, and then you can go and select Forget this device and click on Forget Device. Now what you can do is scroll right down to the bottom of this page and check to see if any new Bluetooth devices are showing up. Obviously, if anything does show up here, then you can just go and select it to connect to your Bluetooth speaker. Now, if you don't see any devices showing up here, it's likely that your Bluetooth speaker is not in pairing mode. So what you'll need to do is go over to your speaker and make sure the Bluetooth is turned on and also make sure the device is in pairing mode. Now, this is going to be different for every speaker, but typically there'll be a button that you'll need to press or a combination of buttons on your speaker that will go and place the speaker in pairing mode. For example, on my Bluetooth speaker here, I just need to click on the power button and that's going to change the channel over to Bluetooth. So you can either just try a few buttons on your speaker to try and figure out which one is pairing mode, or alternatively, you can just find an online instruction manual for your speaker and you'll need to go and locate that Bluetooth button. So once your device is in pairing mode and the Bluetooth is turned on, you can see now that if I come back over to my Bluetooth on my iPhone, you can see at the very bottom here that now this speaker goes and shows up, and I can simply click on it to go and connect to the Bluetooth device. Now, another issue that you might encounter is if a device is already connected to the Bluetooth speaker, then you won't be able to connect your device. So you'll either need to go and disconnect any other devices that might be connected to your speaker, or you can just go and reset all of these connections from the actual speaker itself. And again, this depends on what model of speaker you have, but typically you'll be able to hold down a button or a combination of buttons to go and reset your Bluetooth. So that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.